For those of you who don't know me, who are new around here, if you've seen me before, again, Dustin Staples, junior media studies major. Mostly weather is my background, and everything I do. Try to keep everybody up to date on what is happening around Radford, including some other events like I've been doing over the last several days, and hope your semester has got off to a wonderful start thus far, and everything is going just as easy as it is to you, best to you, as you maneuver around another unique semester ahead. Hey, we got some windy conditions and some wet weather moving in right now. We are going to dive right into this evening. Our temperatures are going to be staying in the mid 30s through the rest of tonight. So as you saw there in our forecast, staying in the mid upper 30s and not causing any concern yet. But again, there could be a few spots of here and there of some maybe watch out for a little ice here or there on campus. Rain will begin to depart off tomorrow morning. By later in the morning hours, we'll see some patchy fog and then mostly to partly sunny skies. It's going to feel like spring tomorrow. So don't get your hopes for some warmer weather for a while, because it's going to fool everybody. And I think we've got real adjusted to this up and down weather for our area. Again, you see here from the National Weather Service, they're always doing a fantastic job. Be sure to check them out with your own time. And we'll be seeing temperatures staying in the mid 30s for overnight lows on Tuesday night. Windy conditions develop later Wednesday night, as you see here, a little snow possible late Wednesday into Thursday. And I'm going to show you this right now. This is from our good friend Tropical Tidbits, checking us out right now, as you see here from that is a blob of mess. So if you know any folks on the Nova area, they're expecting some major icing this evening and some snow showers outside of Washington, D.C. Again, locally here, I wish I knew the exact coordinates of where we are on this map, but let's just kind of say it. We're right in the middle of right here, okay? So rain will begin to exit this evening. We'll be seeing temperatures, again, staying above freezing, so it's not going to be worried about, roads icing over. You may come across some patchy spots of ice, but nothing that's going to, throw you off guard. Because tomorrow, as we begin to wake up tomorrow morning, our temperatures, I will show you the temperature forecast. It is, mind-blowing to look at that. But again, we'll be seeing mostly to partly clear skies. And I'm going to move my box up out of the way so you can actually see this timestamp here. Again, this is about 7 o'clock tomorrow night. Clear skies do developing overnight for Wednesday as that low begins to develop. Here's our storm of our winter weather, right? This model looks like it is just updated a little while ago. Was showing not much more snow. Now it is showing snow with you developing on. Again, this is late Thursday evening, about 7 o'clock. Thursday morning, I think so. We'll see what happens with this. This one's going to be a bit of a tricky system to keep a close eye on. I'm sorry, Wednesday. I do apologize. The 27th is Wednesday. And so about 7, 8, 9 o'clock Wednesday night, we should start to see some snow begin to fall in our backyards and around campus. Snow lingers for much of the overnight hours. Here's about 6, 7 o'clock in the morning. So if you have any early morning classes Thursday, of course, most things are online at this point. But if you do have to be if you are one of those that have to walk out and go to class early Thursday morning, just be mindful, of course, keep a close eye on what professors say and what they're doing on their schedule. Snow flurries and snow showers will develop for much of the afternoon. By, I guess, noontime, this system is out of here, giving us a high pressure moving in with some extremely cold temperatures. And you'll be seeing a weather whiplash as we head towards the next 72 to 96 hours or so. Moving into the weekend, we remain dry. Again, Saturday's looking dry. Sunday's looking, fairly okay day. It's not until later in the evening hours we see another round of precipitation move in. It may start as a little wintry mix to start, and then it'll change over to rain, as by that point our temperatures in the overnight hours will be above freezing in the mid to upper 40s. So, and then again by late Sunday evening, early Monday morning, dealing with some light passing showers Going into the 1st of February, it does look like February is going to be mild to start out for us. And then again, maybe some lingering leftover snow showers and or snow flurries as we head towards Groundhog Day a week from tomorrow, which is the 2nd of February. Again, will he see a shadow? Will he see or not? We'll have to keep a close eye on that as we head towards a week from today or tomorrow, rather, I shall say. Now, I'm going to show you this temperature. This is what is kind of crazy, we talk about weather whiplashes, and I always hear people always come up to me asking, "Man, Dustin, do you think Virginia's weather is bipolar?" You know, it has its own mindset. I'll leave you with that. That much I will say. Virginia does have its own type of weather. Over the last several years. So, anyway, I've got my pen here. Here's Radford, where it says 32. I don't know exactly, but we're going to round that near that area. So my math majors and my geography majors and my geologist majors, don't get upset with me because this map is very hard to see, especially at a distance. And this is, unfortunately, I can't zoom in any further than where I am right now. Hey, I didn't mean to bore you to death here. Here's our temperatures for, again, today. We saw those right here. 40s tomorrow, and as we head towards the morning hours, look at that, 60 degrees at 1 o'clock and upper 50s and low 60s. So if you're going to make some lunch plans, go out there on the patio around the school and enjoy yourself some lunch. Still mild, I guess, by later tomorrow, Tuesday evening, mid 50s and lower 40s. I think this is the most exciting thing everybody wants to see. Here's that cold front that's moving and bringing in that little bit. Remember that little baby storm that was right here? Kind of just went boom right over us, right? So here's again Wednesday morning, right there, 30s, mild in the 50s. The only thing with this storm is that there's so much mild air and dry air behind it. Here's when that storm sets in for. So we're below freezing. So just hours prior to that, we're about 34, 35 degrees here. Since we are in a bit of a valley, right in the central part of the New River Valley, it cools off faster because of that. And here's that snow moving in. Again, temperatures in the mid to upper 30s and upper to mid 20s for our Thursday. So again, look at this, by 1 o'clock the afternoon, we're still just at or near freezing. And so it is going to be a very blustery and cold day for Thursday. Our overnight lows, are going to be dipping in the upper teens and low to mid 20s first thing Thursday morning. So yikes up there. I don't know where exactly this 8 degree is, but I would not want to be up there near West Virginia. I think this is right outside of Leesburg where it says 23. This is, I guess, where JMU is there in that vicinity. So forgive my geography locations. I'm trying to guesstimate as best as possible. Danville, Roanoke, right here in the Eastern Shore, maybe seeing some light snow flurries and or showers. But again, moving on ahead to the weekend, staying below normal as we head towards Friday into Saturday. It's going to remain dry and windy with winds out of the north about 15 miles per hour. So again, Saturday afternoon, Saturday morning, I shall say mid 20s to upper 30s to low to mid 40s. We'll see a slowing warming process right there as well. I'm sure probably your eyes are, I think that is Miami. No, Miami's right there. Tampa and Orlando, I believe, is there. Correct me if I'm wrong, folks. I'm trying to guess as best as I can. They're 70s. So if you like the warm weather, take a trip down to the southern part of, you got to get out of, I guess, southern Georgia to go into the panhandle of Florida there. Again, temperatures as we head towards January going into February, we warm up just an uptick there. We had some those mid 70s down there in Florida. Meanwhile, we're going to stay in the low and mid 30s as we welcome in February. And wow, look at that, almost near 80 degrees outside of the Key West area. Man, I'm sure most the warm weather fans are jealous there. But of course, due to restrictions and stuff, you want to play it safe and not travel and, of course, get yourself exposed to a place you don't know where the cases are increasing. But hey, just for the fun of it, we'll go ahead in the future, a week from tomorrow. It does get cold for a little while, but this is we are going to see a slowly mild trend. Here we go, mid to 40s and 50s for, again, the first week of February. We warm up ever so slightly. Here's another cold front coming in about almost a week and a half from to this weekend. maybe bring in some lighter snow showers. I will throw that forecast model up for you one more time just for to show you what I was talking about there. Again, 1st of February, and man, that beach house there is kind of want me to get a vacation there. It looks like. Anyway, so our temperatures will be staying in the mid. They said 30s and 40s. Snow may be possible, off and on snow showers through the rest of the couple of weeks, and we warm up ever so slightly. Another cold front arrives by the latter to middle part of a week from or so from now, and then again, we're going to keep a close eye. This is also, almost I guess a week and a few days, almost 2 weeks out from now, we could see another round of snow later in early part of the first full week of February. We'll keep a close eye on things here. I know most are excited for a little winter weather. I am. For those of you who don't know, I surely enjoy the snow, and that's always fun for me to get out in it. And you all have the opportunity just to sit from your dorm room and relax, at least to say. So I'm going to leave it with that tonight. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any other questions, or if you want to check me out some other time. You can, again, Are You Weather One? Are You Weather One is the name of the game of the weather page you can check out on Instagram and on Twitter.